Friends, we are ready for news trading today. I hope all are enjoying. So time is approximately 11:30. So we are ready for news trading. I hope all are enjoying this video very much. So first we are setting our own EA for this news trading. Very carefully we set each and everything. Now take profit, we take $500 and starting lot we set 0.5 multiplier to recovery zone we set 10 pips, uh, 15 pips is okay, and now we start for the buy. So our EA is ready, as you see here. Very nice place, 0.5 gold buy, and we put another EA here. This is we put 0.5 for sell. Okay, this is our another EA. So we check for this EA today. So let's see what happened. News is coming. Approximately our time 11:34 minute, 11:24. The news time is 11:30. Let's see what happened. Our target is $500 catch. You can check our history. Approximately $6,700 profit in news trading. These are all news trading, as you see here. All are news trading, and we have very good profit, $6,747 within 2 weeks. That's very nice, more than 50% profit in 2 weeks. Now we have to wait for next 2 minutes more. News trading is very risky, so don't try it alone. We have to practice much more to get these results, so don't do it alone. We take 1 hour chart so we can watch clearly where the market go up and down. Here is another EA. This EA also start working. This is for testing EA, and you can check the spread up and down. So next 2 minutes. We easily book $500 in news trading. Come on, board, come on. Last 1 minute. Very fast we have to do work. Very fast. Last 1 minute. News is coming very soon. Movement started. Come on, gold. Started, brother. It started. Move, move. Gold going to sell. This is our balance 19,744. Move, move, gold, move. This is high impact news. Let's see how much pips we can catch. Yeah, move, gold. Move, move. Move, gold, move. Come on, gold. Yeah, we are in profit. Our target is $500. Come on, gold, come on, move. Gold sometimes try to push up and suddenly go down. So we don't do any prediction in gold. Always hedge the market, buy and sell, then you can take profit. Otherwise you can't take profit in gold especially. So don't try to predict the market. This is very hard work to take profit from gold. So don't do it yourself. You have to do very fast each and everything. Come on, gold, we are in profit. Move, move. It can be go back suddenly. Yeah, go down. Up or down, brother. Very soon we are in profit. We are waiting for move. Move, gold, move. Very nice, very nice. Come on, gold. It can be go down very fast. Let's see what happened. Going to sell. Come on, gold, come on. Go sell. Yeah, we make profit very soon. Come on, gold. Yeah, very nice, very nice. We are in profit very soon. Anywhere market goes, we are in profit, brother. Oh my god, our target 500 hit. Oh my god, our target 500 approximately hit. We just close the close. We just close. We just close, close, close. We just close, we just close, we just close. Close everything, close everything. We just close, close, close. We just close, close, close everything, close everything. We just close. Oh my God! Congratulations, brother and sisters. Congratulations. We hit, we hit the target, and again we take again another trade. We take again another trade. Let's the power, see the power of this booming EA. Watch the power of this EA. This is a very powerful EA. You can double your account. Double. Come on EA, come on. Let's see the power. Come on EA, come on. We are already booked 500, 700, $700. Come on gold, come on, come on. Yeah, this is the power of this EA. This is my own EA, brother. Market goes anywhere, you can book the profit. Always. This is only I create for the news only for news. Second round, brother. Second round. Come on, gold. This is my personal EA. I never sell this EA. I give many times to make this powerful EA for the gold news trading. Very powerful. You can check the history. We make $7,000 profit in just 2 weeks and deposit $13,000. Really, amazing profit, brother. Amazing profit. This is only possible in news trading. Come on, gold, move, move. If gold move, we make money. So we are waiting for the movement actually. But we can't use this EA on normal market. Remember that. You can check how the fast money printing. This is like a printing machine, brother. Here is a resistance. I think gold can break this resistance. As you see here, there is a resistance, strong resistance. That's why it takes time, I think. But gold can break easily. That is not a matter for gold. Yeah, gold sell. Very nice sell. Very nice sell. Big sell. Big sell. Come on, give profit gold. We already $20,000 running our equity. You can check here. We start from $19,744. Come on, gold, give profit, give profit. We need profit. Gold try to break this resistance actually. Maybe it takes time, but very soon it breaks. Patience is the key, brother. Don't be hurry. You are always in profit. Just keep patience. Come on, gold, come on. Yeah, Very nice, very nice. Give me again $500. Please gold, give me again $500. Give me again $500 gold. Please gold, give me again $500. We are just printing money, brother. Just printing money. Yeah, we are in profit. Yeah, come on, gold, come on, come on, come on. We are in plus. Now we are in profit. Very nice profit. $20,150 running. Amazing, it's amazing profit. We make again another $60. This is the hedging strategy. No matter gold go anywhere. Come on, gold, come on, $80 running, 90. $90. Again we are in $90. 95. Very interesting. Movement is slow, otherwise we book $500 in just a minute. Oh my god, $100 completed. Oh my god, 120. It's amazing profit, brother. It's really amazing profit. $20,200 running profit, as you see here. $150 profit running. Come on, gold, come on. Give me some money. Come on, gold, give me some money. There is no big movement. So already we hit our approximately $800 profit we already booked. Gold go back and again go down. It's the habit of gold. First go back, again go down. I think it may become minimum this level. What was the voice of we already booked our target. Our target is $500. Already we booked. Now momentum is slow, so now we want to close our trades. Already $130 because gold momentum is slow. We stop our algo and we close our trades. I hope all are enjoying our live gold scalping. And next news when coming, I make again another video. We make $20,297. Very nice profit, $7,297. Really amazing profit on gold hedging secret. I hope